to marketing in BL, I'm very proud to say that marketing in BEL started quite some time back. Because even though we were a DPSU and there was no need for any marketing, about 15 years back, marketing really took off in BEL with a group formed in one of the SBUs of BEL, that is Military Communication and Electronic Warfare. It was just when the defense market was starting to open up. It had not yet fully opened up, but the government was thinking in that direction. So at that point of time itself, our management had the foresight and they thought that, okay, we have to groom our people to take up such challenges. And a small group was formed in military communication and electronic warfare. I was one of the fortunate to be in that small group. This group started all the business development and marketing activities for that particular SBU. And it's slowly people started realizing the benefits of having a group dedicated for marketing within the SBU. So soon this got replicated to all other strategic business units of BEL. Today these marketing groups are there in all the 20 SBUs. So if you see the overall marketing structure, at the corporate level, of course, there is a director marketing with their own his or her own office. Then we have two verticals, that is one heading the national marketing, which is all domestic marketing for both defense and non-defense, and we have another which caters to the international marketing or the export business. And in addition to that, of course, we have another revenue stream which is for the product support. So we have a product support wing also, which will add to another additional revenue stream for BEL. Now, this is the broad structure, and of course the corporate marketing is assisted by all these marketing which is there in each of these various SBUs. So, and this has been and we also have a process wherein the process of how we interact with customers, how we respond to various RFIs, RFPs, how we take up some mergers with with foreign companies or Indian companies, how we align with them, how we do business with various companies. Everything, all the processes are quite well laid out. We have very good systems and processes in place, and this helps us in ensuring that there is a standard way of doing things across all the units of BEL. Now, if we see the performance up to last year, or up to the current date also, it has been quite good. The current order book is about 34,000 crores, and out of which about $110 million is for the export market. And for the current year, we are planning to add about 10,000 more crores to this order book. And as far as international market is concerned, we have been doing quite well. We had achieved the revenue of about $85 million last year through the export market, and we are planning a similar number this year, maybe around $85 to $90 million. And the focus in international marketing is both for the product marketing as well as the offset business. For product marketing, we concentrate on some of the regions of the world, especially Southeast Asian region and African regions. And for the offset market, of course, the well-developed and developed countries like the European countries and the US. And as far as Aero India is concerned, it has been quite good for us till now. We could launch 3 new products, which of course I think has been already covered. And then we signed a small contract, again an offset contract with a very big Israeli company called Elbit. Then we had some MOUs. We have now today we signed a MOU for collaborating on composites. The future products will all have composite as a very important ingredient, because the challenge is to bring down the weight of whatever systems we manufacture. So we have entered into a very good collaboration with a German company today, and they should help us in meeting most of our challenges with regard to weight and in some structures which cannot be easily made using the traditional materials. And of course, in addition to that, we could also have very good interaction with most of the foreign OEMs who have got good the footprint within the country and who have been supplying a lot of equipment not only to India but to the other nations. So to that extent, it was good that in one platform, in one forum, we could meet a vast number of companies as well as have a good look at whatever is the latest offering which they have brought to this show. Thank you.